Welcome back to Harper's Car Detailing. In this video I'm going to go through how to clean your wheels. I'm now going to show you why you need a dedicated wheel bucket. When cleaning the wheels you're removing iron-rich contaminants. These contaminants come back into the bucket and fuse their way into the plastic. This product here dissolves the iron particles into a purple solution, making them easy to rinse away. If you use this bucket to wash the paintwork on the car, you could potentially scratch it, as these iron filings tend to be very sharp. I then fill a bucket half full and use the same shampoo that I would use to clean the paintwork. A small Chanel wash pad, an EZ wheel brush to reach the back of the wheels. The lower softer brush I would use on more sensitive finishes such as gloss black or chrome wheels. A tyre scrubbing brush and a microfiber towel. And of course, a dedicated wheel cleaner, which in this case is Built Hamber Corozal. Due to the rotation of the wheel, the front of the spokes tend to pick up more brake dust than the rear, as you can see here. I then spray the wheel cleaner over the entire alloy. As this is a fallout remover, you'll see the brake dust dissolving into a purple liquid. This makes it easy to rinse as well. As the iron remover is working its magic, an all-purpose cleaner is sprayed over the tyre. As both of these chemicals are working away, I then work on the wheel arches. With them being fabric, 95% of the time you only need to use a stream of pressured water. If you do have a heavy build-up of dirt, you can use a stiff brush to agitate the areas. Before any contact washing on the wheels, the barrels are then thoroughly rinsed. The reason you do this process first is it can be quite a dirty job, and you wouldn't want to undo all the hard work of cleaning the wheel first. As you can see, the wheels are practically spotless after the iron remover. You might need to repeat this stage if the wheels are particularly dirty. A blanket of foam is then sprayed over the entire wheel and then agitated with a handful of brushes. Firstly, the tyres are scrubbed with a stiff brush. Then, using an old microfiber towel, I clean the tyres once more. You'll see how much dirt is pulled out here. This dedicated wash mitt for the wheels is very handy as it allows me to reach behind the spokes. If I struggle to gain access to the back of the spokes, I then use this small EZ brush which I've bent slightly at the top. The inner barrels are then cleaned. I either use this brush here or a wheel woolly. A tar remover is then used to remove any traces of tar. You might have to repeat this step if you have particularly stubborn tar spots. In some cases I use a spray-on rinse-off product, which not only adds a layer of protection, but also makes it a breeze to dry the wheels. I wouldn't use this if you had carbon ceramic brakes, as you don't want this product on the brake discs. As you can see, the wheels are now sheeting water, which will help with the drying stage. If you don't have access to compressed air, a damp microfiber should do the trick. To finish the car off and giving it a just detailed finish, a tyre dressing is applied. It goes without saying that you would dry the wheels and dress the tyres after you've washed the entire car, but for illustration purposes I've just done this wheel. hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content.